Number 19. 2x minus y is greater than 883. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? Okay, so to stop or to limit the number of calculations I have to do, I'm going to look at my answers first and see what things are similar and what things are different. So I see when y is 0. For each of these, there's one where y is 0. In all four tables here, there's one where y is 0. In the first two, we have when y is 0, x is 440. In the bottom two, we have when y is 0, x is 442. Okay, so if I do this one calculation of 0, if I put 0 in here and see which of these is accurate, then I can eliminate two of them. That's what I want. I want to narrow the field in a way that doesn't just take out one at a time. It has to take out two at a time. That's ideal. All right, so 2x minus y is greater. Oh, why I write 2y? It is not letting me undo. It's just pitching a little hissy every time I try to undo a mistake that I wrote. And, I admit it. I miswrite. I make mistakes. I need that undo button. All right, 2x minus y is greater than 883. I am going to plug in a 0 for y. If I put in a 0 right here, I am just going to get 2x is greater than 883. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Since 2 times x, I want to undo that. So I divide by 2. And then I get that x is greater than 441.5. So x has to be greater than that. Well, 440, those are not greater than 441.5. A and B are gone. Right now, C and D. For 440, I only want to pick one of these. It looks like they're different. This one says when it's 440, x is 440 and y is negative 2. Here it says 440 and negative 4. And then we have 441 and negative 4, 441 and negative 2. Okay, so they are both, they're both different. Okay, so I'm going to pick one of these points. And see, again, we're starting with 2x minus y is greater than 883. And we'll say, okay, what happens when y is negative 2? I'm going to plug in a negative 2 for y. So 2x minus a negative 2 is 2x plus 2 is greater than 883. Then to get rid of this, to solve for x, I want to subtract 2 from both sides to undo that, adding 2. Then I get 2x is greater than 881. Then to undo that multiplying by 2, I'm going to divide by 2. And I get x is greater than 440.5. So x is greater than 440.5. This one is not true. That just says 440. Nope, that can't be it. That one is out as well. And D must be my answer. Something else in this particular case, this is just a side note. The method I've just shown you will work for any of these like this. But for this particular problem, something you might have observed is this is a linear function, a linear inequality. Because it's linear, it's a straight line, and it's going to go up or down in a steady and regular pattern. All linear equations are steady and regular. They're not going up and down like that. It's linear, it's straight. Okay. Look at this. It's going 440, 441, 42. 0, negative 2, negative 4. Both of those are linear progressions. This is going up by 1. This one's going down by 2. What's happening here? 440, 441, 442 goes 0, negative 4, negative 2. Wait, what? That's going doot, 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 doot. That's not linear. It's not happening. Y is going up regularly, but X isn't. How about in C? 442, 440, 441. What? 0, negative 2, negative 4. This is going in the progression. This is going all over the place. So I would say this isn't linear. This isn't linear. D, 442, 441, 440. It's going down by 1 each time. Here it's going down by 2 each time. That's also linear. So with that, you would have it narrowed down to those two, and then you would only have to compare one of them. You could compare the zeros for both of them. So you'd only have to do one calculation over here with the 2x, etc. So that can save you a little time. Do you have to do it that way? Of course not. You can do it the way I showed you first, where you eliminate 2 of them, and then from the 2 that are remaining, you figure out which one. But I would definitely, whatever with these kind of problems, try to find something where you can eliminate 2. Eliminate half of the answers is the idea. So that you're not like, all right, let me eliminate this one. Let me eliminate this one. Let me eliminate this one. We don't want that. That takes too much time. Again, time is the name of the game. But yeah, that's just a little shortcut that works on this particular problem. It may not work for any of them. The first method I showed you will work for any of them. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.